Hi, everyone. My name is Greg Kotchuk, and I'm the president of Augment That, brand new company we've never pitched before, and really excited to get your feedback on thoughts on what we're doing. So, as you know, there's many different ways to sell products, whether it's retail all the way up to vending machines. But there's one universal truth for any form of selling, and that is if you can get it in the hands of customers first, they're more likely to buy it, whether it's golf clubs that are being used in a simulator or a test drive of a car. But not all products are suited to be tried before you buy in this way. And that has been essentially the promise of the $72.7 billion market in virtual reality and augmented reality is the ability for people to try things that aren't necessarily accessible to them. But as we've seen time and time again, these solutions are problematic. VR goggles are heavy, they're expensive, they require constant charging, and they're germy. They're hard to sterilize. Similarly, tablets or smartphones can be used to project images as well. And maybe you've used this kind of technology at IKEA to see what a piece of furniture looks like, or a set of glasses that projects onto your face. But these are usually flat and cartoon-like 2D portrayals of the product. There is actually a massive AR market gap for products that are either too expensive or too risky to try first before you buy them, either getting a tattoo or taking it off, a new paint color on a very expensive or curved complex object, or home renovations. Augment That is a technology, a very unique technology that uses built-in LiDAR on iPhones to fill this marketing gap. And it does it in this way. Here's an example of taking an image. In this case, someone wants a cartoon tattoo on their back, and we can see what that would look like on the person with this technology. It shapes the tattoo to the curvatures of this person because of the LiDAR technology that we've been able to hack into on the iPhone. Similarly, we can use it to upload and project educational images or clinical images, anything that could be put on anything that is curved to show someone what this would look like. And here you can see we can actually change the transparency so that the user can even interact with the image on what's being projected. So this isn't a hacked together duct tape kind of MacGyver technology that you're seeing this example of. It actually exists in an app that can do these two specific use cases right now. And this was put together by a talented group of students who I've worked with when they were part of the program at U of A. And since then, they've graduated as computer engineers, and we've formed this spin-off company together. And they're responsible for the engineering, the app development, and the math that is behind this particular technology. And since starting forming the company in late December of 2023, we've been able to file a provisional patent on this. We've attracted funding for some work through MyTax and for IP protection through Elevate IP, as well as attracted funding to develop a market analysis from NSERC and their Eye to Eye program. So we estimate we're now at a TRL of 7. So our big target is actually going to be the release of Apple glasses in 2027. This is the target date for this technology, and it's well known that this particular release by Apple is lacking a killer app, the thing that people will just have to then buy the glasses. And we think we can be that app, if not one of them. This is what our NSERC Eye to Eye market analysis says. And based on that, our use case will be what you've seen, uploading consumer images that can then be projected on whatever people want. And we have some test sites already lined up at various educational institutes to get feedback on that particular application. This we think will help create, by putting the product into the App Store, this will develop sales as well as clients that will be something that will be attractive to Apple. They won't just look at this technology as a promise. They'll see that people actually want it and will buy it. And this will actually spur another side industry, which is the development of other apps by other developers using the API that we can create for this technology. We simply can't create all the apps that this technology can be used for, and we will be able to make these tools available for others to do that. So we have the patents in place as far as we can at this moment. So patents pending. We have marketing analysis performed, our test site secure. And the next thing to do is really make sure that the app is App Store ready by ensuring that users can upload their own images to then project into the circumstances of interest to them. So in conclusion, I think we're a good investment. We're 100% Albertan. Our technology is innovative and operational at this time, not theoretical. And so in conclusion, we're seeking investment to be that killer app for Apple glasses in 2027. And to do that right now, we need $80,000 to help finalize the development of the app so that users can upload their own images and project them on the objects of their choice, which will make the product App Store ready. That will take us to the phase where we can start to generate sales and obtain clients through that App Store distribution. Thank you very much.